going crazy, don't know what to do. I feel so amazing, got me saying woohoo. Can't fake them goosebumps when they start to show. My heart beats like a bass drum. Get ready, let's go. You give me that good, you give me that good, you give me that good, you give me that real good feeling. You give me that good, you give me that good, you give me that real good feeling. Spent some nights in Reno, but I'll never chill. You know I love the casino, and now my house is up for sale. You give me that good, you give me that good, you give me that good, you give me that real good feeling. You give me that real good feeling.
Today, you promise to love each other, not only in happiness, but also in triumphs.
Nagkita kami dun sa trabaho, sa pinapasukan kong trabaho sa Cubao.
Elise! Elise! Yay! Joy! Jira! Asan si Jira? Casey! Casey! Wow!
Ang advice ko sa iyo, strong
And
happy with your wedding.
thank you!
Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y
But remember this, your love is not meant to stand alone. It is anchored in the love of Christ.
So yung first impression ko sa kanya is masyado siyang mahinhin, tahimik, tapos masyado siyang introvert. Pero minsan kapag kilala na niya yung tao, makulit din siya.
There will be days of laughter and days of struggle. And that's the reality when you enter married life.
Nakikita ko na talaga yung pagiging wife material niya. Sobrang maasikaso. Grabe, wala akong masabi. Kumbaga talagang ano na siya eh, yung alam mo yung wife material na talaga siya eh. Yun talaga eh. Alam mo yung pag nakita mo sa babae, sobrang maasikaso, matulungin. Aalalahanin ka kahit may trabaho, kahit pagod na pagod, dami na iniisip.
sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo. Wala
So today, in front of God and everyone we love, ito ang buong puso kong pangako sa iyo. I vow to love you not only in the moments of joy, but even in the seasons of trials. Pipiliin kita sa araw-araw, kahit may tampuhan, kahit may pagod, kahit minsan hindi tayo magkaintindihan.
Jesus gives us the greatest commandment of all. Love one another as I have loved you. This is the kind of love that forgives, that sacrifices, that stays.
Almost 1.5 year tayong nagantay na ganito. Ito yung araw na gusto mo. Ito yung lagi mo sa akin kinikwento na ganyan. Gusto mong maglakad sa simbahan na kasama yung pamilya mo, lahat ng family mo, suporta sa atin.
halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang
magpatuloy ang mga pangarap natin. Pangako sa'yo na ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko hanggang sa huling hininga. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko. Lagi mong tatandaan.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the
Jefferson.
first time I believe it to be true. All of my friends say, when you know,
Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak eh. Naiyak ako,
everything
pero
falls into place.
kahit saan man tayo dali ng buhay, we will always find our way back to each other.
You have found a love
Thank you, babe.
that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me,
It is not temporary or conditional. It is enduring. Jesus reminds us that love is not just a feeling. It is a decision and a commitment.
Babe, mahal na mahal kita din. Alam mo yan, lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, ayaw mong mag-away tayo. At gusto mo, lagi tayo masaya, walang halong emosyon. Kung mayroon mang tampuhan, ayusin natin, ganyan.
I promise na through ups and downs, I'll support you kung ano man yung gusto mo. And then I'll promise to always be there with you, to have time with you always. And I promise na di na ako always magmamahal kita.
you have found a love that sets me free.